Kartik Aaryan is in the news and all for the right reasons, and we have seen the actor heading to the football ground for some serious football practice. Well, we wonder, is it just the love for the sport or is it a practice for some upcoming project? Well, do share with us what you think of Kartik Aaryan turning footballer in the comment section below.